Hello guys, hello. I will to show you this Maserati, how to start. So this is a start button, and this handbrake, and also this brake and reverse and the neutral and this drive. So yun guys, pa-starting natin yung Maserati na to. Dito yung push button niya. Ayan, umandar na. So ito yung brake niya. This is a brake. This is reverse and neutral. And this is drive. Manual. This is a drive mode. This is start and off engine. So mo itong ito plus and minus this one other side. So reverse natin guys. Now drive. This brake. Pause. This some brake. And we'll drive. And we'll drive. So they will drive. Brake. You stop, brake first, then off this stop engine, and this is an open door for lock and unlock. If you want to go outside, then open this door, only this button, press this button and we'll open this door. See the button? This is Maserati. Fix this hood and front bumper. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.